just remember, guys, if you like the content, you like what I'm putting out there, please give it a thumbs up. Please go and subscribe to the channel. It's not much, but I mean, it's free. I just picked up this Osmo Action from DJI. I already have one of these, and that's what you see most of my YouTube videos coming out on. I do have a full frame Sony camera. I use that mostly for shooting weddings and things like that, but most of my YouTube stuff I do through the Action camera. It's very easy to edit. I can edit on my phone. I can edit anywhere I want to be. The clips are easy to work with. Time lapses are easy to work with. So I picked up another one because I have a wedding coming up that requires a couple cameras. So I think they're better than GoPro. I like them because they're completely waterproof. I don't have to worry about, I can bring it, submerge it in water. Don't have to worry about any of that. It's got rock steady stabilization. So, I mean, you can run with this camera and you don't even know you're running with a camera. So, for the price point, new a couple years ago, I was paying $350 for them. Now they're $200 on Amazon with an extra battery. So that's a big deal. I wouldn't say they suck through the batteries, but I ended up having to get some aftermarket batteries from Wasabi, and those work awesome too. So right now, this camera is selling on Amazon for $199 with a spare battery. So you get two batteries and the camera for $199, which is a great price point. So I'm just going to do the unboxing real quick in front of you here. I'm sitting at my desk. Yes, you do see a lot of brewery stickers. I used to do a lot of brewery magazine stuff, so that's why I have a lot of brewery stickers. These are all local to Virginia and West Virginia, so if you guys like beer and you're wondering where most of these stickers are from, they're breweries in Virginia and West Virginia and North Carolina. I do have a couple from other states like Connecticut and stuff like that, but that's just going from festival to festival back before the COVID hit. So we will do a unboxing of this so you can see what comes in the box, and you know, let me know in the comments if you have an Osmo Action, if you like it. I like that you can do live view. I like that you can have it on your phone. I like that you can do let's open this up and so you can see what comes in it. It's just a small form factor box. Comes with a camera with all these cool little peel offs that are aesthetically pleasing. The case itself that is around the whole entire unit is just a plastic cradle, basically. So this entire unit is waterproof. I've tested it that it's been weld proof, and you can do different lenses on this, not lenses themselves but caps that go over it. I'm not really sure on the manufacturer. I'll probably pop that in the description right now, what the manufacturer is on those. So you can do different UV filters on there, which is awesome. I don't have those yet. You can do external power and external memory, although your memory card is in here. This door comes off. I will take this off real quick here. It's really easy to get into. You just pop that loose, pop it back off, and voila. So no battery in it right now because it just came out of the box. So it's got a microphone. You can actually get an external microphone for this that actually plugs into this little slot over here. Let me see if I can't get this open. I got one-handed. So this whole door comes off. So if you're wanting to use this cage, you're not doing anything with water or anything like that, you're not worried about it. Your memory card goes in here, and it's USB-C compatible as far as power is concerned, and I'll get in there. So this is where your SD card goes. I actually picked one up off of Amazon. It's my go-to in this camera. It is this SanDisk 128 gigabyte extreme card, so it lets me do the 4K that I want to do. It's drone compatible, so I'm going to swap it out of my camera and go right to my drone. It's been a good card. I don't have any complaints about it at all. So there's that. Back to the camera. The camera itself, it's got firmware updates. It does right through the app, which is great. So the firmware, I was waiting for it. When it first came out, it didn't have a lot of functionality, but now it actually has really good functionality. It comes with live view. It comes with, you can do Facebook Live, Instagram Live, stuff like that right through the camera, which is great. I'm pretty sure that you can do the same thing with a GoPro, but at this price point, if you're looking to just get an action camera and you're not willing to spend the $600-700 for a GoPro, I'd go with this bad boy, because this one right here, I've ran it on bikes and like putting it on a tripod and just running it across the field, driving in a UTV, and it's the rock steady that's built into this, the stabilizer that's built into it, is actually awesome. So as far as specs go, I'm not going to go into specs because you can look up specs anywhere, and I'm sure you can see any unboxing you want to see because this camera came out a couple of years ago. But for the price point that you're getting it now in 2021, it's stupid not to buy one. So I'm going to actually get into the rest of the box here. It comes with a little box here at the bottom. I'm going to put this camera down there. Let's see, what comes in here is the full battery that's supposed to be with it in the first place, not the spare. A USB-C cable, so charging, downloading to your computer, however you want to do on that one. It comes with a mount. This is a mount for, like, say, a dashboard. It's got the 3M on the bottom. You can just mount it, and then therefore you have a point on your dashboard that you can use. It has this like clip feature that clips on into place, and so that's how you can get that on your dashboard and just run with that like that if you wanted to. And then there's also another anchor point. Get that out of here. There's another anchor point. So if you don't want to use this anchor point, you can use this anchor point. I really haven't used this all that much. I usually order aluminum heads for any of my action cameras so I don't break the plastic. But this is a good feature to have if you want to mount it somewhere and not have to worry about taking it off ever. So that would be good to have down the road if I want to just mount this in my truck and just leave it there, and then whenever I'm in and out of the truck, I can just mount wherever I want. So usually what I do is I buy these aluminum brackets, the same mounting bracket. It's an aluminum head and an aluminum mount, threaded aluminum, everything like that, so I don't really have to worry about this stripping out at any point. That's actually what I have on the camera right now that I'm shooting this with. So all that together, so you get all this, all in all, with the camera and the mounting system and the memory card, I think I paid like $235, something like that. So it's a huge difference in between GoPro and that. And DJI, they've been making drones for years. They're really good at their optics. They're really good at what they build. I'm waiting for the Osmo Action 2 to come out. I'm not really sure on the release date on that, and I'm pretty sure they will release one. But for now, I'm just going to keep buying these little action cameras right here and using them until they die. And I still haven't had one down on me, and I've sent it through the ringer. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.